Yeah, man, my people, what's up? For all the people them who did subscribe, thank you very much. We are going up, we are building a Jamaican unique family. Unlike the other people them. We're not going to call no name. But these videos, what I'm about to show you guys, are very interesting. So I want you guys to just stay tuned. The videos kinda long, but it not that long. It not taking a time. But people, me love and I respect you. Cause you help me out. Oh, never did subscribe yet. Please just do that for me, no man. Help out a youth, no man. Please, me I beg you. And the person that said they're looking forward to my content, it means such a lot. So shout out to you. Yeah man, just watch this video and it'll show you the inside of what going on in Jamaica.
On that man.
Yeah man, people look at this.
Lone
Beer
dogged.
dog. Yeah man.
Lone dogged round pan the corner, yeah. And
And
them
the
a eat the
first thing
dog
what
them
we
look
hear
like,
about
man. Look there.
dog
Pan dog
being
skull
eaten,
and
the
dog
first
bone, watch it.
beef name we call at the
Watch there.
China them.
You see
But
nothing yet. A little bit.
people, have a looking
Can't
at
really reach
things.
up and see. You
Sometimes
see what go
I
on.
can't them and I me not
Box of
calling no
dogged.
name.
Look here.
But
In a road, watch it.
we just have to know say
Dogged.
our people them do these
John know you to look
things
like Jamaican star name dog,
too.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hard.
Yeah my
Hard.
people.
Watch
You
it.
don't know that.
Good dogged. Look there. Go
But
on
just
dog
look at
skull.
this video and look what this man is
Dog skull
showing
that
you
you know.
now. I make you see
DOG
what
dog.
really
Look
going
there.
on.
Watch it.
I
One
mean no
crocus bag
say,
of
me
dog
no feel
skull.
so, me
Two
no feel
crocus
say
bag
them
of
dog you
lone dog
just
skull. Listen,
take
man.
so and them
Watch it.
just bag them up.
Look there.
No.
Hmm?
But you let me know what you
Lone
think.
dog skull.
People,
So
just
right
let
now
me
someone a
know.
buy us some soup
Cause
out
my
the road.
thoughts don't
Good I
count
get
enough
dog
food, the
soup.
thoughts enough to make me
And
know.
if up a cane
Yeah.
cook shop to go on.
Anything me say,
Correct dog.
them people always
Yo,
want
them
to
thing ain't
find something
right,
to
brother.
say.
Them thing
But
are wrong.
we are do
People them and
good.
look what them a dump
Yeah.
upon the people them farm. Look there.
We are do good.
A farm, you
But
know the
look
road there
what
and then
going
all
on
of
in
that
your
gone on a
country,
farm,
man.
you want a
Nobody
sweet
feel
potato and
like say
pepper,
a
all of them
joke
thing they
thing.
plant down the watch ya. On the
Yeah.
front of the man them
Some
grow.
people don't like
A
social
lone
media,
dog
but
it.
if
John
a
know
blood feed
where we
sometime, man,
gone
I
to
bear
after we
things
not
are
so
going, man,
overpopulated
people.
in our country yet.
Yeah, man. But look at this another
Dog it.
one.
Whole heap of dog
This
soup
man and
around.
this woman.
In this kind of manner. But I go and speak to you in this kind of manner.
Mm-hmm.
You know how much money we spend for you when you're sick? What yeah?
Peter?
No. No, just so you don't know.
Me don't know.
All right. Let I say something to you.
Mm-hmm.
You see, we here, or you, when we go in a garden, and you pack up your things, them, and this minute come here, I come catch you. You know, you going with everything? Eh? No.
Uh-huh.
But tell you something now.
Mm-hmm.
Never forget this. I watch yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And my link, all about me have link. But
Mm-hmm.
listen when I say to you very careful.
Mm-hmm.
You will never, ever
Mm-hmm.
hurt me again. And watch me now. Me, I make certain say. And listen, you can report it. Me, I make certain say you never, ever say that watch you again. Me just I wait till it 3 weeks up, you know. And me I make sure tell you, Denny, listen. Me I make sure and tell you, Denny, they say anytime you 3 weeks up, me personal, come here, me personally, you see anytime something happen to you, more you are looking at me face, and know say, I'm me about it.
Mm-hmm.
You see, I'm me feeling, I'm me know, you sit yourself 2 times with me, and I may run up and down, I may run up and down, I may do this, I may do all of that, and we say you pack up your things, and you leave, See, say why, Peter, why? Let me try to report it. You have the last blood clot chance, last chance me I give. No, you have a you have a agenda,
Peter?
No, hold on, Peter.
Well, I know.
You have an agenda,
Actually, me, Peter.
Hold on, just let me talk, man.
Actually, me, Peter.
Yes, just let me talk. That's why I'm telling you if you report it. That's why I'm telling you if you report it. So listen, Me I tell you this, you know.
So Peter, you did make me. Are you? Well, I know. Are you? What are they? Are you did make me sell out watch you, Peter?
Well, I know. Just listen.
Well, I know. Are you did make me sell out watch you, Peter?
Well, I know. Just listen to me, I said, you know.
Peter.
No, just listen. Just listen to me feel.
Peter.
Just listen to
me hurt you now.
No, me I make certain. If it cost me life, me I make certain that you know did it so. Me I make sure tell you that. If it cost me life.
Why me not for there now? Tell me why me not for there. If me there your yard, well on man, yeah talk and talk. Me there your yard. Me live at your yard. How much money me spend? See the out of Delta 50,000 that already, you know. Remember say me name out there. Remember say well on. Remember say, listen me man, and me throw partner and me throw me money.
Alright.
Me throw me money. Well on man. Remember say, he win at them for your house and me spend money.
Yes.
Buy them.
Yes.
Peter, me and you live there. And yes, me give thanks. So when me sick, you look after me.
Yes.
Me give thanks. Say yes, so me sick, and you look after me. Oh, me for hurt you. If me and you left. Oh, me for hurt you. Again, when me and you left. Peter, when me and you left, me feel like you're a threat to me. When you start, when you out for lick off the door, you take all iron and lick off the door. You take all iron and do this and do that and kick off the door. Or you expect me to feel about that?
All right,
when you dead, Peter. Man a kill woman hard.
Well,
Peter.
you know.
Well, I know. Listen me, no man. Me not sell at watchy. I know me a sell at watchy, right? You act like me down there make millions. You go tell me say me can't sell this. So if me a sell 2 look okra down there. Me dey down there and me a sell 2 look okra. You never help me to get spot down there, Peter. Me get spot off of me own. Me fight with people and me and man long war sitting down there.
Yes,
and you go tell me say you go make certain say me no hurt you and me. Well I know you go make certain say me no hurt you. But you are hurt me.
Yes.
So that is a threat.
Yes, never hurt you. I'm going to report it. I'm going to hurt you.
So that is a threat. A threat me.
Yes, I'm going to hurt you. And listen me very careful. Listen me. You see, any time in 3 weeks lock them up, then he's never kill you. Take it as me tell you. Then he's any time in 3 weeks lock them up. Then he's
me not afraid of you, Peter. Me not afraid of you. Me not run for you like me an idiot. You're so far me there. In a sentence me there, you know. Well, I'm man in a sentence. Me in a sentence and you in a St. Catherine. Me there with you and me don't feel comfortable with where you are do. We do not threaten who you fit who you not threaten.
No, you are no. No, never make your hand the road, Dennis. Never make your hand the road.
You can't make me the on the road. Me not ask you question. You can't make me the on the road. Me not ask you. Me not afraid of you, Peter.
All right, you're not afraid of me. All right, and that's how you go dead. Right, that's how you go dead. Right.
You can business where you want to. But me not afraid of you, Peter. Me a sell me, so it's too look up when me a sell this stuff.
No, when we come, you
not do what you want to, Peter. Me not stop you from do what you want to. Do what you want to, me I'm gonna say is a threat. You threaten me this so.
And I threaten you. And I tell you, me say, listen, if I last thing me have to do. If I last thing me have to do, listen very careful. If I last thing me have to do, me have to kill you. If I last thing me have to do, me have to kill you. If
so me hurt you, Peter?
If me come a Paris tongue, anywhere Paris tongue me come, and me run my investigation, and you anywhere you're dead.
Yeah, right. Today I look funny for man, because me never hurt you. Me never hurt you, Peter. Me and you dead, and every time you know, when you raise your hand,
I'm going to teach you something. Never show you say, all where you usually have, them a pretty boy, but never show you say me a no pretty boy. Never show you who can hurt people. Me tell you me no want to hurt you, but never hurt you. Just who you hurt me, never hurt you. I'm going to hurt you.
Peter, more I'm telling you, I cannot agree. I'm going to leave there because I don't feel comfortable with your behavior. And that me say to you, I don't feel comfortable with your behavior. That's what I said to you, you know. And you go tell me, and you go tell me, say, and you go tell me, say, you go hurt, and you go hurt, and you go hurt, and you go hurt, and you go damage me, and you go kill me.
If me no kill you, sit me wrong. Me say, oh, you, listen. Go and sell Dennis. Go and comfortable and sell, man.
You know, this is what you want. You're not comfortable at your yard with your family, them. So when you comfortable, I can look after my folks with them. My little part of a father, you know.
Denny, if I not kill you, see something wrong. No God, no come. Just hold on. Just wait till the 3 weeks up, me girl. Just wait till it.
Yeah, man, my take. Look at this, people. My take on that incident, but look at this one. Why it's serious in a Jamaica land we love, man. You know, the people there, boy, no love, no there. Wonder where them a fight over. And it looks serious, you know. Gang up. Jaw. God, man.
Mama.
Why them have to deal with her, so? My God. I wish you could have done it, now. But we're there. But we're not done yet. I'm going down one of them. My God, the way them could have war over here now, man. I got a lot more things on the video, but people, you know what to do. It's on Instagram. Yes, and the other note, you know, the policeman catch a thief, you know them catch a thief. Just listen to the video, people. Yeah, man. We can't solve everything with death still, you know, people. But boy, sometimes people push them limit. But you let me know what you have to think down in the comments, you know? Yeah, man.
I want them kill your phone thief. Watch him, thief woman phone.
Look at this old woman, you know, in a fear state where she fear get some rest. Still a war and a fight. God, terrible from birth, man. You know. Lord, gosh. Bye. Oh my gosh. Why can't do need my people? Can't finish. My gosh. But look at this transformation.
Dolce,
Tell me what you think.
why don't
I
you
don't have
introduce
nothing to
yourself
say,
to the
people.
class? Okay?
Yes, my people. That was the video, but let me know what you think in the comment section down below, you know? And people now get better, them only get worse. We just have to just do what we can do, you know, the good what we can do each and every day we wake up. We just try to do it. Yeah, man, the most I God guide and protect you at all times. Love you, my people. Love and respect, and thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Love you.